most people think. The true Stoicism meaning is about suppressing your emotions. They think a Stoic is a robot, someone who feels no pain, no anger, and no heartbreak. But they are dead wrong. In today's chaotic world, where financial stress, career burnout, and fake relationships break people apart every single day, Stoicism isn't about hiding your feelings. It is your ultimate psychological armor. Ancient masters like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca taught that the world is divided into two things: things you can control and things you cannot. You cannot control if your company lays you off. You cannot control if people lie to you or betray you. Trying to control the outside world is the exact reason why millions of people live in constant mental anxiety today. The true Stoicism meaning is shifting 100% of your focus to what you can control: your thoughts, your reactions, and your inner peace. When you master this, you don't become emotionless. You become untouchable. You become the absolute ruler of your own mind. This is the foundation of mental freedom. This is what it means to be a true sovereign of your life. Protect your peace. Discipline your mind and let the chaos pass by. Stay powerful.